Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting drone that seems perfect for anyone starting out or looking for a great gift. This model comes equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera, which is a fantastic feature for capturing aerial shots. The camera itself is quite versatile, offering a 90-degree manual adjustment and a wide 110-degree field of view, giving you a broader perspective when you're flying. You can connect your phone to the drone's camera and get a real-time panoramic view right there on your screen, which is super cool for seeing exactly what the drone sees as it flies. One of the standout features for stability is the built-in altitude hold system. This means once you get the drone to a certain height, it will automatically work to stay there, making it much easier to control, especially for new pilots. It also uses optical flow positioning, which helps it maintain its position more accurately, particularly indoors or at lower altitudes where it can detect the ground. The powerful motors contribute to its performance, and the ground detection system helps it handle a bit of wind resistance, which is always a plus when flying outdoors. Thinking about what you get in the box, it's pretty comprehensive. It includes a convenient carrying case, which is great for taking the drone with you on trips or just to the park. You also get the controller, protective covers for the propellers, and importantly, extra spare fan blades. Having those spares is a lifesaver because props can sometimes get damaged, especially when you're learning. All these inclusions make it feel like a complete package, ready to fly and a thoughtful gift option. This drone isn't just about stable flight and a good camera. It's packed with functions to make flying fun and easy. It has features like high-speed rotation and circle fly for some dynamic maneuvers. There are 3 speed gears, so you can start slow and steady as a beginner and then ramp it up as you get more confident. Gesture control lets you take photos or videos with simple hand movements, which is a neat trick. Headless mode simplifies orientation. One key takeoff and landing make getting airborne and coming back down effortless. And of course, altitude hold keeps it steady. Plus, you can perform 360-degree flips for some aerial acrobatics. And there's an emergency stop function if you need to quickly cut power. A really practical aspect of this drone is its weight. It comes in at under 250 grams, which means in many places, you don't need to register it to fly recreationally. This removes a potential barrier for many people wanting to get into the hobby. With all its features, from the camera capabilities and stable flight to the multiple control modes and included accessories, it really does seem designed to be accessible and enjoyable for both complete beginners and those with a bit more flying experience. It offers a lot for its size and price point, making it a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.